Assalamu alaikum. Greetings from Talent Upskill, Class 6 English Version Math, Exercise 2.1, Math number 12. The ratio of the prices of two books is 5:7. If the price of the second book is 84, what is the price of the first book? Here we are given the ratio and one of the quantity. When we have ratio and one of the quantity, we use variable to find the other quantity. The ratio is 5:7. Second book or second quantity is 84. 84 means 84 taka. As per ratio, if price of the first book is 5x, then price of the second book is 7x. We already know the second book is 84 taka. As per question, (7x) equal to 84 taka. Therefore, x equals to 84 taka divided by 7. We are dividing both sides by 7. You can write here, dividing both sides by 7. Therefore, x equals to, there will be 12 multiply 7 equals to 84. So, x equals to 12 taka. Therefore, now we got the price of the first book, that is 5x. Price of the first book equals to 5x equals to 5 multiply 12 taka equals to 60 taka. That is the answer. Question number 13. In the golden ornaments of 20 grams of 18 karat, the ratio of gold and alloy is 3:1. Determine the quantity of gold and alloy of those ornaments. So ornaments have two things, gold and alloy. We are given the total amount 20 grams and we are given the ratio 3:1. If we are given total amount and given the ratio, we know how to find the quantities. Please notice there is 18 karat. We don't need to do any calculation about carat. So ignore this 18 karat. All we have to do is 20 grams and the ratio. So total quantity equals to 20 grams. Ratio of gold and alloy. Three is to 1, and 3 plus 1 equals to 4. So quantity of gold equals to 3 by 4 multiply total quantity, that is 20 grams, equals to, now simplify, divide both by 4, this will be 5 and this will be 1. So 3 into 5 is 15 grams. Next, the quantity of alloy. Equals to, that will be 1 by 4 multiply total quantity 20 gram equals to, divide both by 4, this is 5, so it will be 5 gram. So we got the answer. The gold is 15 gram and alloy is 5 gram, and that is the answer. Question number 14. The ratio of time of coming and going to school from house of two friends is 2:3. So two friends, first friend and second friend. First friend, second friend, first friend house, second friend house, and the school. This is the school. Distance from first friend, distance from second friend. The question says the ratio of time of coming and going to school from house of two friends is 2:3. If the distance of school from the house of first friend is 5 kilometers, so first friend house, the distance is 5 kilometers, then what is this distance from house to school of second friend? The first friend house is 5 kilometers. And we have to find out the distance of second friend from school. We can write time needed by first friend is to time needed by second friend equals to 2:3. The question says this. Now let the distance first friend is, the first friend's distance is first quantity, so we can say let the distance for first friend is 2x. Therefore, because the ratio is 2:3, distance for second friend has to be 3x. Therefore, we can write as per question, we can say 2x equals to 5 kilometers. Therefore, x equals to 5/2 kilometer. Now we know the value of x. Can we find out the value of 3x or the distance for second friend? Yes. Therefore, distance for second friend equals to 3x equals to 3 multiply 5/2 kilometer equals to 15/2 kilometer equals to 7.5 kilometer. So that is the answer. Distance for second friend is 7.5 kilometer. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.